Got him braf, dydy?
Nawr mae'n braf.
Hello, Mrs Edwards. People are telling us they're ready for change. We're here obviously to talk about the winter fuel payment, and I guess you do need to have the heating on. And now you'll have to make a choice.
It's a big loss. That £300 would have made quite a big difference.
We've been asking Labour in Welsh Government to stand up to Keir Starmer, and they won't.
Labour have been in power in Wales for over 25 years, and it's time for change.
Nice to meet you. Very, very good to meet you. After 25 years of Labour, people are telling us it's time for a fresh start. New ideas to inspire new hope for our families, our communities and our businesses. Nice to see you again.
I brought Rhyn to come and see her. He's doing some visits in Neath today.
I can't stay away. Hello, how are you? You all right?
Hello.
Hey, hello.
I know.
Lovely to be in Neath today with Sioned Williams, Senedd member.
I don't see anybody from Labour coming here. I mean, it's Plaid Cymru have been here a lot, and they've helped us a lot with our campaign to get investment for it. The only way things will change if Plaid are in power.
Plaid Cymru knows this isn't as good as it gets for Wales. Our young people deserve to look forward to the future, knowing that whatever path they choose, they can prosper.
Cymru!
Plaid Cymru wants to create a healthier, wealthier Wales for everyone who calls it home. We want to lead a government that's ambitious for our nation and its people, where your future is defined by your aspirations, not your circumstances. We can't afford as a nation to have a Labour government in Wales that refuses to hold the Labour UK government to account. What Wales needs is a government that's always ready to stand up. The Plaid Cymru is ready to lead that government and make the case for what's in the interests of the people of Wales. When your community speaks, we listen. Your voice matters to us, and with Plaid Cymru, you'll never be taken for granted. Just a quick word on the significance of this. We're doing a lot in tidal energy. So much more we can do in offshore wind and so on. So it's not the only game in town.
We'll still be pressurising the government to make sure that they do put rural communities and the economy before these big companies and their profits.
After 25 years of Labour, we have growing waiting lists, falling education standards, and an economy that's not reaching anywhere near its potential. It's time for change. The NHS under new leadership, schools given a new direction, new vigour in creating jobs and economic opportunity, new homes being built, new targets to bring down poverty, a new Wales with a new team at the helm. A Wales we can win together.